Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve and analyze student results after they've taken a test. So what you do need to do is go back into ExamView Test Manager and reopen the class as to wherever they took the quiz. So I have opened up my sample class and I have practice quiz. So they've already taken it, they've sent it, done the completion, the whole deal. So under assignment, I want to go under assignment, I want to get results from. I'm going to go ahead and hit LAN test, local area network. Okay, so it shows that I took it, and it looks like Joe Cox already took it. I had her take it as well, or took it for her. Anyway, so now once I have retrieved them, there are the scores. Okay, so you've got your raw point score. Now, just to show you, if I click on any of these, I can go in and I can see what the correct answer was, what the student response was, and the point earns. If you have any short answer questions, this is where you're going to have to go into and grade the student, see what the student response was, and potentially add some points in. For example, if you had a matching question or a short answer question and they literally spell anything different than you did or use a capital letter, it will automatically mark it as wrong. So this is where you're going to go in and grade short answers, and if you need help with that, come ask us and we'll help you. Now, every once in a while, I go through, and if I want to see what this question was, I can click on View Question. It will bring up what particular question that was being scored there. So anyway, there is how you retrieve a score, and how you also can you can also go to edit scores, and that will allow you to view that screen as well, and you can flip between people. If I want to go in and go, man, what question did Rachel miss? I can hit view question. There you go. Now, one of the other features I really like is if you come up to reports. ExamView is one of those things that has a lot of ability. You just have to kind of play around with what works for you. I always like to do the assignment results both by class, where it will allow me to see everybody's scores all at once. It also will tell me how much time they spent on it. And if you go to page 2, since we like data, it also will always give us the mean, the median, and gives us this nice bar graph. Now, obviously, more scores gives you more data, but that is the class report. You also, if you wanted to give kids feedback, could also do the class report by student. So this will allow, if I wanted to print this off and let them see how they did and go back to it, you can print that off for every class student as well. One of the other features I like under reports is if you go to item analysis summary, it will allow you to very quickly look at how people did, and it will give you this nice little exclamation point. It says indicates the question was answered incorrectly by more than 30% of the class. I always go here first to make sure I didn't make a mistake. If I've got 80% of people got it wrong, then I always go back and make sure that it wasn't a mistake or a error in how it was coded as well. So you have there are lots of different things that you can do in here. You can do item remediation, item analysis, performance summary. I honestly haven't played around with a lot of it, but it does analyze the data, and once you get in there and figure it out, you can figure out what you want to do for you.